Hi, I introduce myself, Miguel Garcia from Metayantra. I'm the owner and CEO, so I'm here to help. I really want to test this technology. It's innovative and state of the art. We made some improvements on the original design from Flanagan. It's more powerful. The Flanagan device worked with 9 volts. This works with 18, and we are testing to improve it. The same device, just changing the adapter and take 24 volts, but that's gonna be later on. We need to do some tests. So I was hoping to retrieve a complete device from warehouse. That's why I had this delay. But for holidays, this will delay a lot. So I decided to assemble a new one. This is in process. I don't want you to wait too much. So I think this is obvious. You need to plug the device. But I want you to guide you step by step. Here you got a power lead. If you need to check the LED is on. If it isn't on, maybe you have also not connected correctly. After that, you need to connect. This is the cable that goes to the phone or any device. You also need to hear the sound. Make it go well. Sorry for that cut. I had to retrieve other cables. So you need to plug the other end of this cable, the 3.5 millimeters from both sides, and open your frequency. I have it already here. The volume to the top, 100%. Some devices stop you to project your ears. You need to override that protection. You have two electrodes, one red and one black. I have one yellow and one blue. This is the red and this is the black. The red one needs to be plugged on the jack that is near to the power cable. Also, you need to hear the sound that's meant correctly. And the black one, besides, you can't connect it on the other way. It won't work. Then the first test is to place these two electrodes, one beside it, and play. You don't hear anything. The second dial, you can move it to hear the sound. Let me check if it's working. Explain. Was you need to check this is completely. So once again, the device is on the lowest dial, put down on 0, and the second one, you slowly slide it. You can hear the sound, right? After that, you can even place it under your forehead, or even if I got them into my hands, you can hear the sound. After placing in your forehead, you can adjust the frequency, the first one, where you hear it better. This the volume. You can't place it to the 100. If you place it to the top, the sound ends. It's around 80%. This is the way I sure it is working. And I personally test like this your device. If something doesn't work, I can send you a pair of these electrodes. These are kind of fragile, but look, this is very damaged and it still works. But sometimes on custom they may break it, so I can send you a spare without any cost for free. That's the only thing can be damaged on the way. If the device is on, the device works.